Welcome to Orage Technologies. If you've been struggling to attract more visitors to your website, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll reveal proven strategies that will skyrocket your website traffic. These techniques are so effective that they'll have your website buzzing with traffic in no time. 1. Content creation. Our first strategy revolves around the power of content creation. Inbound marketing is all about attracting the right audience by creating engaging content through blogging. 2. Organic social media. Discover the magic of Facebook Messenger's automated lead generation feature and the untapped potential of platforms like YouTube and Pinterest to drive traffic. 3. Influencers. Word of mouth is crucial, and influencer marketing is a budget-friendly option to drive traffic. Influencers can post discount codes, links, reviews, or giveaways to tap into their audience and send traffic to your website. 4. Email list building. Your current readers and customers are your secret weapon to driving traffic. Promote your new blog posts or content through email to your followers and subscribers. 5. Community engagement. Brand recognition is the key to driving more traffic. Engaged and participating in online discussions and interacting with your social media followers. We'll showcase Taco Bell's social media success as an example. 6. Quality backlinks. To rank high in search engines, you need quality backlinks. High-quality backlinks can boost your rankings and drive referral traffic. Get ready to skyrocket your website traffic with these proven strategies. Orage Technologies is the leading digital marketing agency that can help you build a strong online brand persona. Contact us now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because we've got more valuable content coming your way.